Yes, the trees wear clothes in this area. Cozy. Greetings, Dan from Planet Earth here, and here I am in Bridal Falls, British Columbia. And that is in the country of Canada. And it's a very fall day, fall or autumn day, depending on where you live, and leafy. Who's going to sweep all of these leaves? Not me. So what I'm doing today, I'm going to actually go and have a look at this Bridal Falls. It should be quite a pretty waterfall. Pretty as in beautiful. And I'm going to see how it looks. Come and join me. And if you want a picnic, come on by. That way clearly leads to certain peril. Or that way leads to the falls. Which way do you want to go? Left or right? He chose right. Look at those Tim Burton-esque trees. I feel like I'm going to see the Headless Horseman in a minute. The Headless Horseman, where are you? I want to keep my noggin. The Bridge of Death.
Who speak of the Bridge of Death? Answer these questions free. Barely outside, you'll see. What is your name?
Done on planet Earth.
What is your quest?
To seek the Bridal Falls.
What is the airspeed velocity of an unladen swallow?
What? I don't know that. It doesn't look like it, but it's actually quite steep and uphill. Just keep moving. And apologies for most of my vlogs because they mainly involve me walking uphill, out of breath. I can see some slight waterage through those trees. I have found the Bridal Falls of Bridal Falls. Bridal Falls, behold! Our quest is at its end. We have found Bridal Falls in its full glory. You know, inspirational music. Bridal Falls! It's pretty. I only realised at the end there were stairs going up to it, but on a different trail. So that's going to do it from me here at Bridal Falls in British Columbia, Canada. That was a rather short video, I believe. Apologies. I will try to do better. I tried to use my drone, but for some reason it said it reached the max height of 30 meters, which I believe is a lie because drones should fly higher than 30 meters. I will look into this. It could be because I flew it into a wall a few weeks ago on the film shoot that we did. But goodbye. Tatty boo.